you struggling with wheat intolerance or just want a healthier grain option? You're not alone. With the increasing pesticide use and genetically modified wheat, many are experiencing digestive issues and discomfort from traditional grains. But there's good news. Nature offers excellent alternatives. Welcome to Well Woman Wisdom, the channel dedicated to supporting your well-being through a holistic approach to life. In today's video, I'll reveal 10 nutritious, easily digestible grains to replace wheat in your diet. Perfect for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, these grains are rich in fibre, protein, and essential minerals to keep you thriving. From cholesterol-busting buckwheat to blood sugar-stabilizing millet, these ancient grains are not only healthy but also delicious and versatile. Before we begin, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness tips. Let's now explore these amazing grains and transform your meals. Number 1. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is native to Russia, and it's not a type of wheat, but a kind of herb. It's more closely related to rhubarb than to wheat, and it's gluten-free. Manufacturers grind its seeds into flour or crush them to make groats, which you can cook like rice. A 2011 study reported that buckwheat could help lower cholesterol levels by binding cholesterol molecules and expelling them from the body while passing through the digestive system. Research also suggests that buckwheat can help in treating diabetes, as it contains quercetin, a natural flavonoid compound found in plants, fruits, and vegetables. It's known to lower blood glucose levels. Buckwheat is the main ingredient in many soba noodles and some delicious pancakes. Number 2. Spelt. Spelt is an ancient grain related to wheat. It's higher in protein than several other grains, providing 10.7 grams per cup. You can easily substitute spelt flour for wheat flour in several recipes. The grain is often referred to as dinkel wheat or hulled wheat, and its scientific name is Triticum spelta. Several studies have declared spelt safe for people with wheat intolerances. However, a 2018 review advised that you might still want to avoid it, as the research is spotty. In other words, researchers haven't yet decided if it's gluten-free. Nonetheless, many of my former patients have found it easily digestible. Number 3. Barley. Barley dates back to the Stone Age and is used for several components in food. It's available as flour or meal for baked goods. You can also add it to soups and stews in its pearled form. It's a key ingredient in beer and whiskey production, which some might argue to be its most important function. Due to its high fibre content, it provides almost 6 grams per cup. Research has suggested it can help prevent some chronic diseases and lower cholesterol level. Number 4. Millet, or brown millet. This was primarily used as a bird feed. Millet is now increasingly gaining popularity as an excellent, nutritious food for people across the globe. It can be prepared like rice or ground into flour and used in baked goods. It's a good source of protein, providing 6.11 grams per cup. And research suggests it can help regulate blood glucose levels. Millet is highly nutritious and is my favorite breakfast grain in winter. Another benefit of millet is regulating your glucose levels. Keeping your blood sugar levels stable will help maintain your energy level. Having millet for breakfast with some blueberries and a grated apple with a pinch of cinnamon is the best way to get you through a strenuous workday. Number 5. Amaranth. Once considered a weed, Amaranth is now known for its killer nutritional value. The grain provides 5.17 grams of fibre and 9.35 grams of protein per cup. So it's more than capable of replacing any other grain you can imagine. This is another favourite of mine. I add it to coconut milk yogurt with some fresh berries, flaxseed meal and chia seeds and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's a great source of the amino acid lysine. effective in reducing anxiety and lowering high blood pressure, along with providing magnesium and calcium. It also contains squalene, a compound found to reduce tumor size in combination with chemotherapy, as shown in a 2019 study in mice. Number 6. Kamut. Kamut is a brand name and the commonly used name for the ancient Khorasan strain of wheat. It's a high source of protein with 9.82 grams per cup. It's a natural source of trace elements and essential minerals such as selenium, zinc, and magnesium. A research conducted in 2013 found that replacing semi-whole grain wheat products with Kamut products in the participants' diets reduced their risks of developing metabolic syndrome, a cluster of physiological disorders responsible for causing heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. They increased the level of antioxidants in their bodies. Number 7. Sorghum. Sorghum is a gluten-free grain and a great option if you have celiac disease. The grain is versatile. You can cook it as a porridge, pop it like popcorn, use it in flour form for baked goods, or even make beer from it. One study found that sorghum is a great source of antioxidants and can help reduce the risk of developing diabetes. And watch out! In the future, extract from sorghum bran, the hard outer crust of the grain that usually gets thrown out during processing, may soon become a popular food additive to bump up antioxidants in a cost-effective way. Number 8. Emmer. Emmer is one of the oldest grain varieties in the world. After the Second World War, it came close to extinction in Europe and was replaced by grains such as barley and rye. This was because of the tedious process in cultivating the grain and the low yield it produced. Emmer fields are also relatively difficult to maintain as they produce a lot of weeds. The grains and ears of emmer are easily damaged, and the stems of the grain are extremely delicate and breakable. However, thanks to the current emerging organic trend, the demand for emmer is increasing, and the grain is no longer a stranger to fields worldwide. Number 9. Rye berries. Most people know about rye bread, but did you know that you can eat rye in its berry form? You can cook the berries like rice or barley in pilaf or soups. Although it's a long cook, which can take up to an hour, you're not a fan of rye bread. Don't be discouraged. The strong, distinct flavour in the bread comes from caraway seeds that are added to the bread, not from the rye itself, so dishes made with rye berries won't have the same taste. As for health benefits, it's hard to beat rye. This grain contains a peptide called lunasin, which, according to a 2015 review, could play a role in cancer prevention. A research from 2009 also suggests that rye fibre is more effective in promoting bowel health than wheat fibre. Eating rye berries is great for bowel movement, so if you tend to suffer from constipation, now you know what can give you relief. Eat rye berries. Number 10. Bulgur. Bulgur, another wheat derivative, is the result of boiling, drying, and cracking the wheat kernels. It's incredibly versatile and cooks in about the same amount of time as any pasta. With its 8.19 grams of fibre per cup, Bulgur beats quinoa, oat, millet, and buckwheat in that category. So there you have it, a variety of alternative grains for your taste bud. Try them out and see for yourself. Tell us below if you know any other easily digestible grain or have tried any of the grains mentioned in the video. We hope you found the video helpful. If so, click the like button, share the video, and support us by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and bye for now.